Ready to connect with friends, share your life, and explore a world of visuals? Learn how to easily install Instagram on your phone or PC and jump into the global community. Installing this app is a straightforward process, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. Here's how to get the app on your device. First, you want to go to your device's App Store or Play Store. There, in the search menu, look up Instagram. Then look for an app that has this logo. Once you find it, tap on Install. It might take a couple of seconds for the download to take place. But once it's complete, you can open up Instagram either from here itself or from the homepage of your device. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!